How to activate microphone button in Android. So if you want to activate microphone button in Android, then first you need to simply open up your keyboard. So you can simply go for any one of your search bars, and here your keyboard will pop out, right? So once you're here on the keyboard, now here on the upper right side of the keyboard, I have the microphone button or the voice button, right? So if you want to enable that microphone button, then what you need to do is simply go for the settings under your keyboard, tap on the gate shaped icon, and it will take you to the keyboard settings. Once you hit keyboard settings, you need to go for voice typing. So here you will have voice typing option, right? Tap on the voice typing, and if you have not enabled that option, you need to enable the voice typing. And if you want to enable the faster voice typing, then you can enable that button also. And once you've enabled, you will activate your microphone button in your Android phones. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.